This is another episode on my YouTube, but today we're dealing with wigs. So I have this wig, old, dusty, crusty, new, does not matter, but it's here and it's here to stay. So we'll be styling this burgundy wig. Actually, we got it from Nigeria. Yeah, we ordered this from Nigeria. But the problem with this wig is not a wear and go kind of wig, so I have to actually style it for it to look a certain way on me. So I have previously cut the lace. This. Yeah, I previously cut the lace, but we're still gonna, I just want to style it in such a way that it's going to fit. We'll start with a dark shade powder so I can change the color or tint the lace. I don't have a listing, but if you have a dark shade of powder or something close to your complexion, you can always do this. This is what I will start with. You can see the variation of this to this, yeah, because it's a lighter lace. It's not a HD lace, and I am working with a 13 by 6. No, this is not a 6 actually. I think this is less than a 6-inch lace, so I have to tint it in such a way that it blends in. Just keep tinting it. Make sure you get to the parts of the hair, especially the lace, the part closer to your skin. That is very important. I can't wait to see what this looks like. It's been a long time I have like a red hair. This is burgundy, of course, but it's close to the red family, or it's in the red family. I can't wait to see what it looks like towards the end because I'm excited. I'm very much excited for this video. And it's been a long time I wore like short hair where I can play with. I can't. I'm just super excited. Super excited. When you're thinking, try not to brush on the lace, because you know these knots actually have like tiny hairs that were knotted into it, so you don't want to brush it so that the knots does not unravel or come off the lace. So all you have to do is just dab it, and dab it. Okay, we are done, but I will have to seal this powder part by spraying a glue on it, just a little. That's a lot. So I'll leave it out to dry before I get on with it. So, unraveling my hair. So, yes, my weave is tacky, but we're still gonna put it on. I don't have a wig cap to put on it, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. The main thing is that the wig stays flat, especially in the frontal part. The wig stays flat. That's the most important thing. So I'll go ahead to just spray the glue on the front of my hair. Ugh, this thing is cold. This thing is cold. Oh, yeah. I would use my finger to spread it apart or blend it in. Yep. Ooh, cold. I'm gonna put just the right amount or enough to hold the wig down for a little while. Who knows, I might actually wear this hair till tomorrow or next, depending on the hold and how much I can prevent it from getting into water. Okay, so I will use a fan. This feels divine. So this wig has like 3 pins. It has 3 pins, 1, 2, and 3, and then it has one more at the back right here. So I will try to make sure that the hair is not hooking onto any of the pins. I'll go ahead to put it on my head. It's just a quick method of getting this thing done. So I'll try to see if I can pin the inside so it holds. Okay, and pin here as well so it holds. So just trying to make sure that the wig stays in place. I will bring out the parts I want right here. Okay. Then here. Just going to bring out the hair on this side. I need to also glue a little bit of the front because the lace is coming out a bit. Yeah, I just lost my forehead. I don't know who I look like, but I think it looks like a superstar playing. So just so I put it right here because I want this area to be down. Everybody can do it the way they want to, but this is mine. So I'm just gonna bring out the baby hair that I want to work with in front. Oh, that's too close to my eyebrow. Too close to my eyebrow bone. And then here. And I'll do the same for here. These areas I brought out is my baby hair, so I will now tie it down. Oopsies. Okay. I'll go ahead and spray this with a little bit of water so I can figure out how I'm going to style it. Okay. This is a coil wig, so I think I will retain the coil. I'll retain the coils, but I'll figure out how to work with the front. I'll figure out how to work with the frontal part of it so I can create something super very nice or unique. Okay, I will take this band off and I can layer the lace baby hair that I brought out. Ah, yes. I feel like this is too close. I would have really preferred it a little bit up here, but it's fine. It's fine. I can't start changing it. I'll keep it this way for now. Now I'm going to have to cut this baby hair. And for this part as well, I'll keep it a little longer. I'll keep that side a little longer. Yeah. I'll do the same here. And then here as well. Okay. And I'll go in with a mousse. I feel like we're going for a side parting. We're going for a side parting. I think this is what I feel would work better for the vision I have in my head. A side part will work better. A side part will work better for the vision I have in my head. I really want fun, flowy, and now we'll go in to cut it in a C cut. Yeah, going to cut it to a C cut so it falls I want it to cascade a little bit over my face. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to call. I will have to call these areas as well, but I wanted to go with a C cut so I can work with. I'll be and hot iron, and I'm going with a wax stick to help with the demarcation. Okay. You can see that the lace is well melted. I'll go back in to put this over my hair while I coil it. Okay. So I'll go ahead to use a hot comb. Oh, this is hot. To try to straighten this one's. Oh. Yeah, I want that side to lay a bit to the back so I can curl the front. Okay, this is what it looks like. have a certain type of curl that cascades to the front. So I will take bits and pieces with my curly wand. I think it's hot now. Yeah. Oh, it's time for me to take out my pins and style the hair completely. So I will just completely take out these pins that I used to call a section of the hair. I think one thing about using pins on your hair when you curl it, it helps to set the curls in. I learned that over time, which is great. Anymore. Okay, no more. Now I will going to use a comb. Oh, oh, I love this. I really do. I'm so excited. I love the look. Just combing it so it doesn't really fall directly on my face. Uh, and then this ones I did to go all the way back. I could have I could have cut the hair, but I really didn't want to cut into the hair. I just wanted something that I wanted the hair to be something that I can always change the styling. And when I'm tired of it being a certain size, I can always go in to cut it or trim it. So, so basically, this is what it looks like. It's full, it's fluffy, and it's kind of, I just love it. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, I have one more pin in the back. Got that. Got it, got it, got it. With a hard brush to make sure I can brush this part in. I don't want it too flat as well, so brush it in. And this is the look. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next videos. Like, share, subscribe, and please come back. Thank you.